Hey, what's happening? My name is Richard and today we're checking out the Drifter boat shoe from John Varvatos. Now, these shoes are made out of a very durable leather upper with this contrast and tonal stitching throughout. You have a ton of padding along that inside collar tongue, especially down there in that footbed, will keep your feet feeling comfortable all day long. We also have this stitched mock toe design here in the front. Down on the bottom we have a very durable man-made outsole that is very flexible. Now you can have that comfort you want with the style that you need. They're from John Varvatos.